Quick little video here. What's going on? Hooking up this heater back here. Yeah, it's a fucking mess. Fucking mess. But, yeah. Alright. What we got here? It's cold water. Comes down, gets a valve, comes over to them, goes there. And we got for your cold water from your heater over here. I know it's hard to fucking see. Imagine working back here. Fun times. About all the soldering is done in place. I know a few of them got too hot. Some of them look pretty damn good though. But I don't know, I'm just a welder, so I do what I can. So that tees off here, that opening there is for my expansion tank. I gotta get a valve and a union in and get that tied in yet tomorrow. Here's my recirc pump. Your recirc hot water line, your other hot water line. 45s would have been amazing here, but we didn't have any, so it was just 90s. But it's a medium, 3-inch going over the other side there. We'll get working on that tomorrow, but yeah, this is what we got right now. Just another day in the life of hydronics. So, just want to post a little video. This is what I do. Got probably 2 days into this little contraption. Those were some fun solder joints back here. Yeah, that wood got a little hot, but all we had was a map torch that day. Shit got hot, but you know, it worked. So, but yep, it's a quick little video. We got finish it up in the morning. Leak tested. So, yep. Water heater 101. Hydronics commercial piping systems. That's what we got. You have a good one.